Hello cuties. Now we are going to know about messenger bird. What is messenger bird? A bird which passes messages is called a messenger bird. Nowadays we use many technologies in sending messages. But in olden days there was no technology like phone, computer and all. So, some thousand years ago, people used this pigeon as a messenger. One type of pigeon is known as the homing pigeon. This type of pigeon has a keen sense for finding its way home, even from a great distance. Realizing the pigeon's unique ability to travel home, the idea of equipping them with messages to deliver was thought of. See how wonder it is? So, this pigeon is called as a messenger bird. So, it also helps us during olden days to pass the messages. We used to send messages to your friends, your family members, or whoever. How do you send messages nowadays? In phone, we have all type of calls nowadays. So we talk to your friends through video calls and all. So in those days it was not such because there was no technology at all. They don't have mobile, they don't have computer and all that days. So they were supposed to depend on animals for this help. So this pigeon helped the humans those days to pass the messages like a postman. Can you see the picture here? It carries a cover like a postman. It flew away to the place where it should deliver the letter or a message. Okay. Next we will see about scavenger bird. What is scavenger bird, children? The birds which eat dead animals or dead organisms is known as a scavenger bird. Dead things. Okay. So vultures are the example for scavenger bird. Vultures are very large birds. They do not hunt and kill their food like other birds and all. See, you may have seen in movies and all, children, in which people are crossing a large, hot desert side and vultures are circling overhead. You know why they are doing that? They watch closely because they are hoping for the people can't make it there. So they will become vultures next meal. Yes, vultures are scavengers. Vultures are scavengers. This means they eat dead animals and organisms. Okay? See? Can you see the beak of the vulture? How sharp it is? Can you see the eyes? See how under it is, no? So scavenger bird eat dead animals. The best example is vultures. Okay. See, look at the vultures both sitting together. See how the wings are, how their neck is. See, look at their beak, it's bent forward a bit. And it is too sharp also. See, it is eating some dead organism there. Can you find in the picture? Okay, children. I hope this was so interesting and